Hey Resonators, so I hope you all have been doing wonderful and staying safe. So I haven't read a spooky story from Reddit for you guys in a while, and I think I just found the perfect one. I'm not gonna lie guys, by the time I got to the end of this story, I was freaked out, and it's honestly not for the reason that you would think. So listen till the end and let me know what you would do if you were in this predicament. And also, as usual, let me know what you think about the final results to my latest resin creation. Okay guys, so this spooky story is called This Is My Tree. My tree is dying. That's a big problem. Each tree here in Oasis makes enough oxygen for exactly one person. My grandparents would have called them giant ferns, hybrids created by scientists long dead. Our trees are the only reason we're still alive. Oasis has 27 trees, enough for the 27 people here. If you stand by your tree, then you can keep breathing. We tell stories about the old days where Earth had more trees than there are stars in the galaxy, where you could walk anywhere and breathe. We took it for granted. Now, there's not enough to share, and if your tree dies, you have to leave. Our trees have been getting sick. Mine is turning brown. Around us, there's nothing but gray sand and the bodies of people who tried to find another tree over the horizon. You can only hold your breath for so long, but what choice do you have? It's a cloudless night full of stars, so many more than the few trees we have left. If I go to sleep, I know I won't wake up. I pat my tree and say a prayer of thanks. I know the reason that I'm still alive at all. I can see Joran's corpse from here. His strategy, head out in the direction of the fewest corpses and avoid their bad luck. But I have another idea. To the north, there's a small hill, almost too small to see. But beyond it, it could be anything. Another tree, we don't know. But I'll take the tiny chance over no chance at all. I take several deep breaths in a row, charging myself up. Then I'll strike out north at a brisk pace and I'll see what I can find. Everyone else is asleep. No need to wake them. I've already said goodbye. Time to go. And guys, that's the ending. Now this story might not be the most spooky story ever, but guys, this one hit too close to home because this seems like something that could actually happen. So you guys have to let me know in the comments, what do you think that OP found when he reached the other side of the hill? I am praying for OP's sake that there's another tree out there. I'm sorry, I got a little bit too invested into that story, but I wish they would make that into a movie because, I know I would watch it. And make sure that you check out the link in my description to the full story on Reddit so that you can give this writer some love. But anyways, besties, you have to let me know what you think about the final results to my latest pumpkin jar. For this one, I made it a gorgeous, sparkly gold. So if you love it as much as I do, drop some gold emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, besties, as usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and go hug a tree. Peace.